Be ready, start. Before putting forward a measure of this nature before Parliament, we had given considerable thought to certain aspects of cloth prices as they exist today, and it is only because we felt that this is the only means now open to us which can to some extent act as a deterrent against high prices, and where it fails to do so would be able to absorb the margins of profit that go to the trade and industry that we sought to bring in this measure for the approval of parliament stop. Sir, the factual position which has been described in the note might be summarized thus stop. The existing capacity of the mills is being utilized to the maximum possible extent stop. In fact, sir, in July, the production of textile has been an all-time record of 500 million meters stop. Honorable members might say, well, if that is possible, why do you fear that there is going to be scarcity of cloth? Question mark. In fact, I think it is the possible scarcity and the high prices that have induced these people to stretch a point and make the mills produce a little more, though certain factors helping to increase production have been accidentally, namely in July, the working days have been the largest in number stop stanza. The other fact is, sir, that we are not in a position within any measurable distance of time to increase the capacity of the mills both in regard to its loomage, that is weaving, and in regard to its spinlage, that is spinning, because the loomage in the mills is frozen stop. We are not adding to the looms except for the recent decision that we have taken that we should add to the mills by way of automatic looms intended specifically for promotion of stop over.